Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. And as promised in my previous video, I am back with an amazing 15 days online course that you can access right now on the internet if you are a recent graduate, a college student, or a young professional just starting your career. This course is a golden opportunity for you to boost your skills and career prospects. So, this 15 days online course is offered by TCS. Firstly, you can register to create account. You can use your email address, write mobile number, can fill important information, and then you can log in. So, once you log in, आई वोंट डिले फर्दर ऑलरेडी ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा डिले हो चुका है बिकॉज of my health issues. I was not feeling well, so the video got delayed, the recording got delayed. So basically, I won't keep it to myself anymore. The course's name is TCSIN Young Career Edge Young Professional Course. So this 15 days online course is offered by TCS, a trusted platform by TCS, and it is designed to help you learn essential workplace skills, all completely free and online. So uh, I don't want you to miss on this amazing opportunity. Let's learn more about it. The course I have already logged in here. अदरवाइज़ आपको क्रेडेंशियल्स के लिए और ईमेल एड्रेस और पासवर्ड डालने को एक ऑप्शन आता है. I have already subscribed the same. Now I would like to show you what you can learn in this course. So basically this is a course syllabus in which in module 1 you can find communication skills, in module 2 you have presentation skills, module 3 soft skills, module 4 career guidance framework, module 5 resume writing, module 6 group discussion skills, module 7 interview skills, module 8 business etiquettes, module 9 effective email writing, module 10 telephone etiquettes, module 11 accounting fundamentals, module 12 IT foundational skills, module 13 overview of artificial intelligence, module 14 overview of artificial intelligence 2.0, that means second part of module 13th, and then in module 15th you have assessment. सो आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर किस तरह से आपको ये डैशबोर्ड दिखता है. सो यू हैव सीन दैट व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न. सो बिहेवियरल स्किल्स टू बिल्ड वर्क प्लेस etiquettes, presentation and communication skills, create effective resumes that give you strong profile visibility, then business etiquette and appropriate business etiquettes which are appropriate in a corporate setting, of course, fundamentals of accounting and IT, and concept of artificial intelligence. I have another very beautiful course, very amazing course on artificial intelligence. That is this one is not from TCS, वो मैं आपको बाद में शेयर करूँगी. But basically this course is definitely going to help you in many ways. Okay, you can see in just 15 days you can gain practical skills in communication, collaboration, business etiquette and teamwork, digital and financial literacy, even basics of accounting, IT, and all. So, here each topic is broken down into short, easy to understand topics. Yes, now I would like to show you one topic here. So, see, on day one, you can, find this day two, day three. So, each topic you can see. If I, open and click on the modules, I can find so many things here. So each topic is broken down into short, easy to understand modules with videos, presentations, webinars, and even quizzes to track your progress. So now if we go to testimonials, we can see related courses are also there, but first I would suggest you to learn this course. Now I would like to share my dashboard like this. If I click on get started here, I started this course on 14th of May. I have 11 months left to finish the course. इसका मतलब क्या है? So basically when you enroll in the course, although it is a 15 days course, आप इसको पूरे एक साल में किसी भी 15 दिन में complete कर सकते हो. I actually had so many commitments to professional and personal commitments to finish. Also I got cough and cold. It got delayed, but मैं आपको ये suggest करूँगी कि आप इसको एक ही बार में, एक ही 15 दिन में ख़त्म करें. मतलब कंजिक्यूटिव 15 डेज में आप इसको ख़त्म करें. सो इफ़ आई शो यू हाउ डज़ इट लुक, जैसे यहाँ हम देखें, अभी मैं हूँ राइटिंग अ विनिंग रेज्यूमे एंड कवर लेटर पे. सो यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें रिटर्न टू द लास्ट, या वुड यू लाइक टू रिटर्न टू द लास्ट विजिटेड पेज, येस. इफ़ आई क्लिक ऑन येस, so this is how it looks. Prepare a strong resume and cover letter, importance of resume. So I can uh, simply click on next and then see the next modules. You just have to mark read every module once you're done with it. Okay, so now coming back to the course, here I would like to show you the table of content, that is TOC of this course. So in day 1 you can see it is completed, day 2 done, 3 4 5 days are done. So stay day 6 7 8 9 10 11 15 days के बाद में होगा एक final assessment. After this after which you can get the certificate. So definitely I'm going to share the certificate with you once I have finished the course and received it. I hope the learning was somewhat helpful. So this is the experience which I wanted to share from my end. And here we can just check the completion criteria before I finish this video. If we click on completion criteria, we can see lower limit, upper limit. So this is a grading system you have. पास परसेंटेज पे आपको, आपका जब तक पूरा 100% आपने कोर्स कंप्लीट नहीं कर लिया है, तब तक आपको सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिलेगा. सो हाउ दे आर कैलकुलेटिंग द ग्रेड. So right now I have only completed 33% of the course, 33 to 34% of the course. That's why I have not received the course yet. So basically the grading system mapped to this course and percentage required to complete this course successfully is 100%, nothing less than that. So this is the completion criteria after which you will get a certificate, and the certificate is completely free. And I will just end the tour. I hope the learning was beneficial for you.